Welcome to day 6 of 120 Days Profitability Challenge. In this series, I'm challenging myself to become a profitable Forex trader within 120 days. How possible is this going to be? Well, I'm documenting every aspect of this journey, the ups and downs, the challenges, right here on this YouTube channel. So if you'd like to follow and keep yourself updated on this challenge, kindly subscribe to the channel and let's do this together. So today being day 6, I'm learning something specific, and it is about smart money traps. These smart money traps, it is kind of similar to the retail liquidity in a sense that these are zones in a market that individuals who equally trade smart money concepts kind of identify as inducements, change of character, and break of structure, which ideally is not the case. So to put it simple for you to understand, these areas are fake inducement areas, fake change of character areas, fake break of structure. So smart money kind of capitalize on that to draw liquidity and then move in the opposite direction, therefore making others lose money. And if others are losing money, that's kind of the liquidity we are referring to over here. So that's why I said this is kind of similar to the retail liquidity I studied the previous day. So let's dive into this on a chart and let's see how we will be able to play this out. And if you don't know what an inducement is, what a change of character is, and what break of structure is, I'll try my best to explain to you in this video. And let's see how we'll go along. Right, now back to the charts. Let's quickly look for valid break of structure, inducement, and change of character quickly. So we're going to use this range over here, the movement from the down here to the up here, and let's check and see if we can see break of structure right here. So break of structure, let's see. So if you look at the movement from here to here, and then price came down over here, the next thing that price did was to move up. Now this over here was a structure that was formed. If you look over here, it was a structure that was formed. So after this structure got formed over here, price then break above it. Now we can perfectly call this place our break of structure, right? We can call it our BOS. Then let me change the color of this to maybe sound like white. Yeah, then let me increase. Yeah, I think this looks good. All right, so this is our break of structure right here. Price break above it, above this zone, and it went up. That's a perfect break of structure. Now let's look and see if we can see another break of structure. But then there's one thing I need to tell you. A break of structure confirms the low in an uptrend. So this is a low. Break of structure over here confirms that this low is actually a valid low, right? So let's look and see if we can see another break of structure right here in the market. Okay, this is a structure that formed over here. This couldn't break it, but it got broken over here. So we can equally have another BOS kind of break of structure formed right over here. Okay, another break of structure formed over here. So this break of structure forming over here confirms the low that has formed over here. Okay, so the movement from here up to here is a one leg movement. It is not a movement in this form like this from here to here, here. No, it is a straight up one movement up to this point. That's something I want you to have a critical look at. Okay, so that is another break of structure that is formed over here. Okay, so far you've been able to identify two break of structure. Now let's see what we can call an inducement as well. So I'm going to delete this right away. Now after the break of structure form over here, we could see price pushed back a little bit before going up. So if you look at the red candle over here and the previous blue candle or green candle over here, you will see the red one took liquidity above it before coming down. So this qualifies this movement over here to be called a pullback. Okay, it makes it a valid pullback. So what we're going to do is we're going to identify this zone over here. Let me delete this. I don't want to use that. Let me use this, right? We're going to identify this level over here, this particular level, the down right here. We're going to identify it as our area, that if price break below it, then we can call it an inducement. Okay, so as you can rightly see, price went up here, it came down and break below this previous pullback. So once price broke below the pullback, this right now qualifies to be called an inducement. Okay, that is it. Now change of character will be formed when price moves to the down over here and break below the previous low that was formed. Okay, so assuming price happen to come down here and break below this particular low that was formed over here, then we can have what we call change of character. But right now we don't have anything like that. All right, so that is it. I hope you do learn something from here. If not into details, I'll probably make a separate video on these kind of things that I've been learning for some time now: inducement, change of character, and break of structure. If you would like me to make a separate video on that, just let me know in the comment section, and yeah, let's see if I'll make a video on that for you. Okay, and so yeah, that is it for this video, and I hope you do find this video helpful. And if you are new over here, my name is Godsway, and I'm on a journey to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. If you'd like to follow my journey and keep yourself updated, then kindly go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Don't forget to share it with others. And if you have any other thing, feel free to leave it in a comment for me. Any word of encouragement or whatsoever. I am ever ready to welcome your critics and any other thing. Right. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.